Truck cooking with the
What's up,
Truckerslife
y'all? Y'all know
78
who it
surf
is.
and
It's
turf
Truckers
garlic
Life
parmesan
Cowboy Nation.
pasta
Y'all know what it
PT1.
is. We about to cook dinner tonight. Tonight we got some thinly sliced stir fry beef stir fry, which is bottom round steak, Angus. You see that marbling? That is Angus. We got some. I've already deshelled the lobster tail. You see, got some super colossal shrimp that I've already butterflied. As you can see, I butterflied them by hand. And they come looking like, of course, like this. Super colossal. 6 to 8 count per pound. So let's get to this meal. First thing we're gonna do is take this beef, put it in here, start thinly sliced, separate them. Got them separated. Salt, of course. Oh, you know what? I missed a step. Let me take these back out. I gotta grab the butter first. Sorry, y'all. I misstepped real quick, but I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry, it's gonna be worth it. Nobody's perfect. Take a whole stick of butter, yes. Boo hoo 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 hoo. We're gonna take some onions. We're gonna get them cooked down. That's a quarter of an onion. We're gonna get these cooked down. We're gonna put some salt on them. Some white pepper. And we're gonna let that cook down and I'll be right back. Next thing we're doing, onions are not done, so we gotta cook these jalapenos. I'm just joking. Jalapenos down. Put them in there. It's about 3/4 of a whole jalapeno. I love the flavor. All right, we back. We're about to cover this. We gotta put the rest. We got some garlic here. We're gonna put a hefty amount of garlic. This is the garlic based dill. That's not it. Don't worry. We got some ginger. And stir it around. There we go. Just stir it, stir it, stir it. Just let it all saute together. Oh, it smells delicious. I'll be back for part two.
Truck
Alright,
cooking with
y'all, we
the
back
Truckerslife 78
with
surf
part
and
two.
turf garlic
And
parmesan
I'm just
pasta
putting some flour
PT2.
in. Just mix it in. Make sure it mixes good because it's going to cook the rest of the way to thicken up this sauce. And just start to saute down real nice and tender. It smells so good though. Oh my gosh. Let me get over here. Grab some Worcestershire shit sauce. Just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Put that back over there. And I'll mix it all together. It smells delicious though. Get rid of the fork, we can get back to the fork. gonna lay this lobster tail right on top of the knife. We're gonna submerge it, just like the shrimp. We're gonna do the same thing. They're already butterfly, so we're just gonna lay them down, butterfly side down. Look how beautiful that is. There we go. Just leave them down like that. We're gonna let them cook just like that. I'd put the shrimp in. Usually if the shrimp is smaller, I'd put the lobster in first and let the lobster cook before I put the shrimp in. But because the shrimp is the same size as a lobster tail, you gotta let it go. Alright, y'all, we're gonna flip these. Just flip them. If you're following from Sheila Bowman's page, I told you I get down. Okay, y'all, we're almost done. We're taking these beef strips, putting them in here. This is what I call my garlic special surf and turf pasta. Alright, there we go. Shake it around. You can't really flip in here because you don't have enough room to do what you need to do. Alright, we're back and we're about to take this. We're about to put some mushrooms in it. I know I'll put some big ass chunks in there, but we'll be alright. This is the easiest part. This is the part that's going to wilt down the fastest is the mushrooms. Just mix them around and get the mushrooms to the bottom. We'll get them to the butter. Not necessarily to the bottom, but make sure they get the butter. But that's what we're going to hydrate them and start them to wilt down. I'm telling you, this is going to be a good freaking meal. Look at that. Look at that. Look like bacon, but it's beef. It's steak. It's steak, baby. And with the pasta, I got some already cooked fettuccine. My bad, y'all. I thought the pasta was already cooked. It's not. It's raw. So I gotta put 2 bottles of water. 2 bottles of water. Get that to boil, and I'll be back with part 3.
Truck cooking with the Truckerslife 78 surf and turf garlic parmesan pasta. The finally.
Pasta's done. Yes, I'm using a plastic fork. Who cares? From there. Let these cool off a little bit. Let them finish cooking before they overcook. A little hole in the middle. I'm gonna put that over there. That's the pasta. Alright, y'all, we're gonna finish it up. Oh shoot. Put some Parmesan on top of here to kind of bring all this flavor together. Just a little bit. Actually, it ain't a little bit, I know. Just get what I'm saying. Pick that out. And then just kind of mix it around in here. There we go. As y'all see, yes, I'm using a plastic fork. Who cares? We're gonna let this finish, and I'll be back. Alright, so here we go. We're about to finish this meal plate up. Grab this lobster tail right here. Y'all see that stringy cheese? Put that in the middle. This is my surf and turf garlic parmesan pasta. Surf and turf, baby. Better than anything else out there. Sorry, I ain't gonna lie. That cheese, string it off. That's hot as hell. Shit. I'm gonna tag you in this post, Sheila. Just know that this is an amazing meal. Just pour some of the sauce on top. Get some of the food climbs in. That's fine. Because I got more pasta left to make some more tomorrow. And then you just go over here. Alright, y'all. We got a quick tutorial. Take parsley, twist it up, and you just kind of sprinkle it on top as you rip it. Take this, and then you take the parsley, and just sprinkle some on top. You guys ready to see the finished product? I don't know if y'all ready for this. This is my dinner tonight. And yes, I'm gonna tag you in here, Sheila, and I'm gonna tag you in here, Robin. Boom. Surf and turf garlic parmesan pasta. Done. Top notch. From scratch. And I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Doses.